Of course, we're talking about the snow that's going to be coming over the course of Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday across the New South Wales and Victorian Alps. We are expecting the snow line on Sunday to drop somewhere between 600 to 700 meters for parts of New South Wales as well. So, with all that, we thought we'd take a moment to explain to you what exactly blizzards are, because it does look like we could expect some blizzards, particularly for those elevated alpine areas of Victoria and New South Wales. Like many weather terms, blizzard is one of those that is bandied about with a specific meaning, and many people don't know what that is. Blizzards, the definition on screen, it means blowing snow with strong winds and visibility less than 200 meters. Now, strong winds is another meteorological term, which basically means winds sustained over 40 kilometers an hour and up to about 60 kilometers an hour. Now, that is pretty gusty conditions. In those sort of conditions, you can get gusts up to about 90 kilometers an hour. But sustained winds are those averaged over 10 minutes. So you got the culmination of these things together, well, it's classified as a blizzard. If it's not these things, it's a snowstorm or a winter storm or any of the above, but it's not defined as a blizzard. Now, blizzards bring specific hazards with them, and thankfully in Australia, we don't really see too many blizzards. If we do at all, it's the alpine areas and it's during winter. Other than that, you're not really going to get too many other regions. Hypothermia is the main thing that is a hazard with a blizzard, particularly because of the winds. Now, winds act to transport heat away from the body, and combined with very cold temperatures, well, the feels-like temperature and the wind chill, in other words, can be very, very low. For instance, during a blizzard, 0 degrees can feel like minus 30 degrees, and as such, you're very susceptible to hypothermia. Now, conversely, if it's below 0, you can get frostbite on any exposed skin, and of course, terrible driving conditions, because the visibility is so poor, and often you have whiteout conditions, which means you can't tell the difference between the sky and the ground. And something else that happens is power outages, which are fairly common in blizzards, and it's because usually the winds are strong enough to snap trees, but you add the weight of snow on that, well, the trees have lost their integrity anyways. Are we going to see some? Well, yeah, it's likely we're going to see some blizzards over the next few days, particularly Friday into Saturday, maybe Sunday for those alpine regions of Victoria, New South Wales, and it's because we're seeing heavy snowfalls and gale force winds for the Alps, so that definitely meets the criteria of blizzards.